Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 11 of the chapter whole numbers. In this part 11, we will continue with the questions of exercise 2.2. We solved up to question number 5 in exercise 2.2. So today we will continue from the 6th question onwards. Later, we will be learning a new topic called patterns of whole numbers. So, starting with the 6th question of the exercise 2.2. Here, in this question, a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel and 68 liters of milk, one in the morning, another in the evening, whereas cost of the milk per liter is rupees 15. Now, how much money is due to the vendor per day? So, when he is supplying 15 rupees per liter worth of milk, 32 liters in the morning, 68 liters in the evening, put together he will supply 100 liters, whereas cost of 100 liters of milk at the rate of 15 rupees per liter will be 1500. This is such an oral question, but the thing is, here you are using the distributive property. How you are using distributive property? Let us see. Here, a vendor supplies milk to a hotel in a day. In a day means it includes, that is, both in the morning and evening is 32 plus 68 liters. Cost of the milk is rupees 15 per liter. Therefore, cost of the milk supplied in a day is equal to rupees 15 multiplied to 32 plus 68, which is rupees 15 multiplied to 100, because it is 100 liters. Therefore, rupees 1500 rupees. See children, this is how we make it. Here you are using, instead of calculating 15 rupees into 32, then 15 into 68, adding that those two products, instead of that we can straight away find how much is the milk that's supplied in a day by that supplier or by that vendor. So we can find that 100 liters and we can calculate with this product of 15 with the 100 liters. Okay. Now this is question number 6. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is match the following. Now you have to watch this 1, 2, 3 and match with the ABC appropriately. First one, 425 into 136 can be written as 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. This property is called distributivity. Multiplication over addition. So 1 matches with the C. Next, second, 2 into 49 into 50 can be written as 2 into 50 into 49. 50 into 49. This is commutativity under multiplication. You are interchanging 49 into 50 as 50 into 49. So second matches with the A. Next, ultimately third which is left over, you can observe 80 plus 2005 plus 20 equals to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Here you are interchanging this 2005 plus 20 as 20 plus 2005. It is commutative under addition. So third matches with B. This is the answer. Now with this we have completed exercise 2.2. Now we will go for a new topic called patterns of whole numbers. See students, here in the patterns of whole numbers we need to know any whole number can be arranged in elementary shapes. So any whole number can be arranged in elementary shapes. So what shapes are they? They are made up of dots. Now here what are the elementary shapes? These elementary shapes made up of dots. One is a line. It could be a line. For example, if I write 4 as this way, this is a line. If I arrange it like this, it is a square. Same 4 I arranged it as a square. So we call few numbers which arranged as a square numbers type, means we can arrange them as square numbers. Can I arrange 5 as a square? No, 5 cannot be arranged as a square. So here 5 we have got not being arranged as a square. What I can arrange as a square next to 4 is this one. Who is this? 9. So 4 and 9 can be arranged as squares. In between 4 and 9, 5 cannot be arranged as a square. 6 cannot be arranged as a square. 7 cannot be arranged as a square. 8 cannot be arranged as a square. Okay. So, but all these numbers can be arranged as a line. Even 5, 6, 5 can be arranged as line. Even 6 can be arranged as line. Even 7 can be arranged as line. 8 can be arranged as line. Okay. So we have got amongst whole numbers except 0 and 1, that is from 2 onwards, we can arrange them as lines. Okay, these things we are going to learn in this patterns of whole numbers. And amongst these whole numbers, few can be arranged as rectangle also, few can be arranged can be triangle also. We shall see them one by one. The first one, every number can be arranged as a line. Like a number 2 can be arranged as a line. The number 3 can be arranged as a line. Okay. All the whole numbers other than or except 0 and 1 can be arranged as a line. Next, some numbers can be arranged as a rectangles. Only some. Example, number 6 can be arranged as rectangle, like how I am showing. Here I have got 2 rows, row 1, row 2. Here I have got column 1, column 2, column 3. So I have got 2 rows and 3 columns. So only some numbers can be arranged as rectangles, like in the case of 6. Next, third, some numbers only can be arranged as squares, as I have already explained you. For example, 4, which can be arranged as a rectangle, square. 9, which can be arranged as a square. Now, fourth arrangement. Some numbers can be arranged as triangle. Here is a triangle 3. Here is a triangle 6. 6 arranged as triangle. Watch it carefully. Along the all sides, you could find some speciality. 2 dots, 2 dots, 2 dots. 3 dots, 3 dots, 3 dots. Who is that next fellow? 4 dots, 4 dots. Here I'm missing, it seems. Let me correct it. Yes. Pen to be taken. Yes. Now 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 1. Now am I right? Is it correct? Yes. 4 dots, 4 dots and 4 dots. Now how many are there in this? Which is this number? 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 10. So this is another a number that can be arranged in a triangle. A triangle means triangle should have its sides equal in dots. The number of dots in the rows starting from the bottom row should be like 4, 3, 2, 1. The top row should always have 1 dot. Got it? Like how I have done. So children, what will be the next number? Can you tell me? What will be next to 10? Next to 10 must be 15. How? 5 dots, 4 dots, 3 dots, 2 dots, 1 dot. Now it is forming a triangle, 5 dots in each side. Okay, this is how this could be. So only some numbers can be arranged as triangles. Now we shall take a summary of this by drawing a table. A table containing which numbers that can be written are formed as a shape of a line or a rectangle, square, triangle. Here 2, it can be done as S in the case of line. All the whole numbers except 0 and 1 can be written in the form of a line. Yes, to all these lines. But only amongst them, few can be done as a rectangle and few can be done as a square and few can be, or some can be done as triangle. Now, when it comes to the 6 can be arranged as a rectangle. 6 cannot be arranged as a square. 6 cannot be arranged as a triangle. 7 cannot be arranged as a rectangle as well as square and as well as triangle. When it comes to the 8 can be arranged as rectangle. So 8 can be arranged as rectangle. What about square? It cannot be. What about a triangle? It cannot be. 9 can be arranged as a square. 9 can be arranged as a square. And can it be arranged as a triangle? Just now you saw here 6 arranged as a rectangle, 6 arranged as a triangle. Here 6 I have written here wrong. 6 can be arranged as a triangle. 9 can be arranged as a square. 9 cannot be arranged as a triangle, but 9 can be arranged as a square but not rectangle. So when it comes to the triangle, yes. Rectangle, yes. Square, no. So like this you have to fill the rest of the 3 columns. Okay, so you try, play with the help of some pebbles or some buttons. You'll understand how these can be done. So we'll take next important activity. Here 1 is a special number, so it cannot be arranged either of this shape. So based on this knowledge, I would like to give you, try this. Which numbers can be shown only as line? So in the table you need to observe and tell which numbers only can be shown as line. I think 2, 7, and you can watch for some more, probably 11. Okay, and you could recognize probably as 13 also. Okay, so you can tell them in this, like 2, 7. Okay, from this table. Even 5 also. 11 and etc. Which can be shown as squares only? 4, 9, 16, etc. Which can be shown as rectangles only, or rectangles which can be shown as not only, it is just rectangles. I have already given 6, 8, 10, okay, 12. You can try for it. Write down first 7 numbers that can be arranged as triangles. First 7 numbers. Example 3, 6, 10, 15, then plus 6, 21, plus 7, 28, plus, see. So here we have got triangular numbers having a speciality. Here first triangular number is 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, So 4 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 7, 28, 28 plus 8, 36. Here I hope I have given you first 7 triangular numbers. Some numbers can be shown by 2 rectangles. For example, 12. 12 can be written as 3 by 4 as well as 2 by 6. That is 3 rows, 4 columns. Even 2 rows, 6 columns. Give at least 5 other such examples. So do these 5 examples on your own. So with this, I'll wind up our session. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you, children.